All right. Hello, everyone. Although I don't think there's anyone here yet. Hello, people watching the VOD. If there is anyone watching the VOD. All right. We'll wait a couple extra moments for people to get here. And then we'll get into stuff. Although, real quick, I actually have a new drink here that I was wanting to try. So we are going to try this real quick. It's Dr. Pepper Vanilla Float. I've never had it before, but it sounds good. That's alright. Kind of just tastes like cream soda Dr. Pepper. Hello, Obstructed. Hello, Mudkip. Welcome to the stream. So, we are back on... Hello, Leo. We're back on Mind Dashers, and hopefully, by the end of this stream, we will be at a point where this game will be available to play. And if so, then we are going to be doing a game night in the Steam and Server Hub Discords, so that way we can have a bit of fun. Okay, so let's get into this. First up, let's get rid of that stuff for now. First up, we need to figure out money and all of that. So let's make a new GUI thing. We'll do screen GUI. We'll name it Stats GUI. Working on Steam. No, we're working on a project called Mind Dashers. Hello, Giggles. Welcome to the stream. Clown Man's here. Okay, so we'll make a frame real quick. We'll set it mostly transparent while we set this stuff up. Stats frame. We'll make the anchor point 0.5, 0.5. Actually, we'll only do 0.5 on the Y. Easier. Give it a basic thingamabobber. We'll put it maybe 0.05 on that axis and 0.55 there. Shit. 0.05, 0.55. Okay, that's way too far over. That's a bit more manageable. Okay. I think that might be big enough on the screen as well. So now we will do we'll add another frame, and we'll make this one. What's the name of the currency in this? Data, stats, money. So we'll just name it money. Why not? Money frame, and then we'll do another one. Or well, actually, let's set up money frame first. So we'll do one on the X, 0.4 on the Y. We'll do 0.5. Why not? Okay. We'll set the background transparency to also 9 or 0.9. We'll put that to that. And we'll do that. Whoops. All right, let's lower that to 2.5. Yep. Or 2.5, whatever. Just setting up GUIs right now, so that way we can get things working. And then below that, we'll add gems frame. And this one will instead be 7.5. Now lastly, we'll do a image label. Might change this to a button in the future, but for now we'll just do an image label. We'll do, see, the problem with this is that it needs to be more or less square, which is the problem. It should be fine. We'll just do 0.1010, and we'll work until this is aligned on the normal device ratio, which is 1920 by 1080p. Okay, so 2.9. That's about the closest we're gonna get. Okay. Now let's do 0.5, 0.5. Put it down halfway and then over. Let's say over like, okay, not 3. 2? Yeah, 2 works. Okay. We'll name this money icon. And we'll grab a text label. And this will be what actually displays the money. Money amount. This will be what displays the amount of money that they have. Okay. So we'll do 0.5010. Okay. Actually, we'll do 0.8. Then bring it 0.5 down. 0.4 and 0.5. There we go. Now let's increase the size of that a little bit. Yep. Then we'll go to the X alignment and align it to the left, so that way it's right next to the thing like that. We will give it rich text and text scaled. Just put in 0 for the time being. And I guess since it's money, we'll give it a yellowish color. We'll also give it a border size, so that way it's visible in all aspects. Okay. Yes, indeed. So now we'll... Okay, and for simplicity's sake, I'm actually going to... Shit, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I'm actually going to move this over here just in case there's any assets that I don't want you guys seeing. I don't think there is, but just in case. So what I am grabbing out of my assets, whenever I can find it, come on, I know it's in here somewhere. There it is. Alright. Yes, indeed it does work. There. We'll temporarily change the money icon to that. What do y'all think? Alright, now we'll grab this and paste it into the gems frame. And we'll actually open up the thing again, because there is still gems that we need to get as well. And so for the gems as a test icon, we'll use ability. Okay, so gems icon and gems amount. Now, gems are going to be a more reddish colored thing. Actually, we'll make them slightly, like, purplish even. There we go. I don't know exactly what color gems are going to be, so for now we'll just set it as that. Let's grab all of this. Okay, actually I will slightly raise these away from each other. There we go. Now I do want to add one more thing, and we'll make it another text label. Hover text. We'll give it a background transparency of 1, 0.5, 0.5, 0.3, 0, 0.1, 0. We'll do something like that. Maybe up that to 0.3. Let's see. Let's grab the position of the icon. And then we'll lower this to be negative 0.1. We'll do negative 0.15 actually. Okay. And I think we'll actually further raise these apart, just so that way there's some extra space. Like that. Okay. Now we will rich text and text scaled. We will make it slightly wider. Wrong thing. Like that. And then we'll give that a little bit more space. There we go. The reason why I'm putting it off to the side instead of at the bottom is because I'm going to put the shop icon just above this. So for now, this is where I'm putting it. Okay, now we're going to take the hover text and we are going to give it the same color as this, except we're going to make it bold. We will give it a text stroke. Let's say 0.2 maybe. Except we'll maybe make this like a bit more reddish, like that. And we'll name this gems. Move this over here. We'll grab the yellow text from here. Like that. Money. All right. Now what I want to do with both of these is I want to make their text. Okay, so the full text, where is that at? Right here. One. There we go. Now I want to go to the money icon and I want to add in a local script. Hover icon. And we'll do script.parent.mouse enter connect function. Then we'll do a second one, script.parent.mouse leave connect function. Then we'll do script.parent.hovertext. Oh, I can just do visible. I don't need to make their transparency 0. I can just make them not visible. So we'll do hovertext.visible is equal to true. And when they leave, hovertext is equal to false. And this will just provide a nice little, like, what's the word? Just a nice little, like, animation or whatever. Nothing too huge. So you still have more to Shadows YouTube from last year. Oh, you're right. I do. I forgot to turn that off. My bad. There we go. I didn't even notice it down there because the screen wasn't as dark as the last stream. Okay, there we go. We have a little thing set up now. And now beyond that, we'll go to the money amount. Actually, we'll go to here. And we'll change this to be, instead of script.parent, we'll do script.parent.money icon. There we go. So that way we'll have that set up. But then also we'll do local data is equal to, oh wait, no, local player, game.player.local player, data is equal to player, wait for child, data, and then we'll do, script.parent dot. We'll actually change these real quick. I'm going to change both of these to just be named icon. Where's the name at? Actually, where is the name at? What? There it is. So we'll name this one to be icon, and these two to be amount, just because I don't like having excessive amounts of whatever, of text in the names when it's not really necessary. Script.parent.amount.text is equal to data dot stats dot money dot value, and we'll do script.parent, or no, we'll do data dot stats dot money dot value, or dot changed connect function reval, and then we'll do this again, except instead it will be new val, like that. We'll also change this up real quick. Wait for child money, just to make sure it's there. I did bullets here and compare good at. They're proxy, like temporary GUIs while we set things up. Okay, so that should work. Now, when we grab this, or currency manager, and we'll duplicate this and put it over into the gems, and instead we'll do gems for this area instead of money, like that. All right. And now, when we hop into the game, these should work, I think. Ah, shoot. Hover text is not a valid member. Oh, yeah, I forgot to change that properly. All right, so now we don't need that, and we don't need that. And I gotta change that in both. Just forgot to remove an extra parent. My bad. Now it should work. Yep. Money and gems. So maybe it would actually be better to have it hover over when you're hovering over the entire thing. So let's do that instead. So instead, we'll do script.parent, mouse enter and mouse leave. There we go. All right, and then beyond that, let's also make these visible again, and we'll make them slightly larger, because I feel like they could probably use a bit more size. Hover text 0.4. There we go. Should be good now. Visible off, and we'll get back to that later. Well, okay, I don't actually know if the round finishes, like if it does it properly. I think it does. Yeah, it looks like it. Let's do a test real quick. Bubbada bubbada. So let's do a quick test. The animation is still very fast. I've got to fix that. But those do work now, so that's nice. I need to add... Okay, so we're going to be adding sound effects, little GUI effects, maybe some VFX as well, like some sparks and stuff. We'll need to find some music to add. We're going to be adding more ores. We're going to make custom maps. We're going to do all of it. Now, I don't think we'll actually be using the gems currency yet. That's just there for the future. Those probably will be added in an update. But, yeah. I'm currently still deciding on how I want to handle things with this game after... Baba Booey! Okay, Giggles. Nice one. I might need to remove that because I'm sure that people watching the VODs are not going to enjoy that soundbite. If I'm not careful. I might need to remove that. Or just make it quieter. Because it does scare the life out of me sometimes. Okay, so yeah, it does update now. Pretty good, not bad. I do want some new fonts, though. So we are actually going to grab both of these. We're going to give them a number of 230. Now, let's go font hunting. What font do we want for this? We could do like Dank 1 if we could do something like this if we want a more, what's the word? More cartoony style. I don't think the game is going to be super cartoony. But it is still just a round-based game and at the end of the day, so like, you know, doing something like that, you know, all dapper and whatnot isn't really going to fit the game style. Could do something like Highway Gothic. Luckiest Guy is like ultimate ultimate cartoony round-based minigame. We could go futuristic with the with this font. What do y'all think? Which font should we go for? Futuristic, more cartoony. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what I want for this game. Highway Gothic. This one? Here, I'll put it on both to display. Highway Gothic. What do y'all think about that? Hello, Quarry Tim. Welcome to the stream. This is my series Let's Make a Game, where I just make a game from scratch. Currently, we're making a round-based minigame called Mine Dashers. And hopefully, if I can stream long enough, we will be making this game to the most basic form that we can for a release. And then I'll be releasing it, and we'll be doing a game night with my Discord servers to see if we can get a community sparked up for it. Okay, so I think that works for now. We can work on like making everything look pretty later. So for now, let's actually just focus on stuff. So let's make a new table here, and we'll do local local skins data. Thank you, Xandar, for following. Alright, so we're going to make some new skins. So then we'll do default is equal to primary equals to NA. Secondary is equal to NA. Tertiary is equal to NA. Now there is a reason why we're doing like this. Hello Zendark, welcome to the stream. I hope I'm saying y'all's names right. I don't know if I am or not, so okay. So now we'll go into the server storage and we'll grab the simple pickaxe. That's the only pickaxe we have right now, and we're not going to be doing anything crazy. Okay, so Let's see, what should be the first type of skin that we make? We could do just like some basic, like, handle or head reskins. Pick reskins, whatever it's called. So maybe something along the lines of, let's see. We could make a gilded skin and have it be primary is equal to texture is equal to enum dot material dot metal, and then color is equal to color3 dot from RGB. Now let's get a good color for golden. We don't want anything too like pea yellow, so we want to get something kind of gold, kind of... What y'all think? That good? I think that works. So let's grab that. And we'll paste that right in there. And that'll be a nice and simple skin. There we go. All right. So we have that set up. All right. We'll see if we can add a couple others as well. A neon one? Not a bad idea. Yeah, in fact, we can do that. What color should we make it, though? I guess, like, pure white would work. So we'll do, like, glowing. Primary is equal to... Texture is equal to enum.material.neon. Color is equal to color3... Or, whoops. Color is equal to color3 from RGB. 255, 255, 255. Alright. Now, there is one more I want to do as well. And that specifically is... What's a good word for it? Not magma. What's a... Okay, so I know magmatic is not a word, but what's a word for, like that, but for lava/magma? Or, like, we could just do volcanic, I guess. Equal to that, and then we'll get into that in a second while we work out the stuff. So for this one, I want to do maybe a handle of... Where is it? I know it's in here. It's a texture I've been wanting to use for ages, but I've never had a good excuse to use it. Not granite, cracked lava, that's it. We'll give this a nice and bold red. Like that. Really red. Yeah, we'll do something like that. Okay. So then we'll do... Primary is equal to that, and then secondary is equal to this. Texture is equal to enum.material.cracked lava. Color is equal to color3 from RGB. There we go. And now we're actually going to need to put that off to the second like that. Alright, and then for the first one, we can also make this one neon too. Go for a neon color and then give like a nice... Yeah, something like that I think would look really cool. And so this is the whole concept behind the skins feature. It won't be like changes to the model itself, but it will be changes to... Color is equal to color3.RGB. It will be changes to the coloring and the texturing of each pickaxe. So in the future, we may have some pickaxes with different shapes, but in the end, you can attach the same skins to them. That's the concept behind this. All right, so we got a few skins here. We're gonna need to make some some rarities as well. So let's do local skins rarities. Okay, well the problem is that we want to do different rarities for different types of boxes, because the idea is that we're going to have two ways to get skins. You can either do basically the equivalent of a loot box where it's random chance, or you can purchase it for cheaper, or for for a higher price. So like you could buy a loot box for 500, or you could buy one copy of the rare skin for like, I don't know, 20,000 if it's a rare skin, like, you know, rare. We'll see. I imagine skins will be very rare if you like want to save up for them like that. So I suppose for this we should do normal box equal to this, and then we'll do common will be equal to 65. Uncommon will be equal to, we'll say 20, 25. So that will be 80, 90. And then rare will be equal to 10. Okay, so now we also need to devise some rarities for these. So we'll do rare. What's above rare? We could, like, I imagine legendary will probably be one of the highest rankings. But what's above rare? Exotic, I guess? Epic. Epic is very basic, but we could. Categories of rarity. Let's see, is there any sort of, like, just thing for that? Google. Categories of rarity. Rare, super rare, epic, legendary, mythic. Okay, so yeah, that's just kind of basic, though. Is this a fucking... Is this a Pokemon? What is this? I don't know what this is. It's a fandom for some game, I guess. Yeah, we could do epic. What do you think? Exotic or epic? Because I'm thinking we do one tier and then legendary. So like exotic equal to 0, and then legendary will be equal to 0. You don't love exotic? Okay, Ludox. I hope I'm saying your name right. So you don't like exotic. Would you guys just prefer epic then? I feel epic is a little basic, because I mean it's used like everywhere, but we could do epic. No, unique wouldn't really work either, I guess. Yeah, it is kind of basic. Well, do you guys think unique would work? It might work. Alright, we'll do unique. Okay, so default will be... Okay, default doesn't really need a, The fact, yeah, default doesn't even need a thing, actually thinking about it. Okay. So now beyond that, we'll do, rarity. We'll make gilded common, though I don't think it'll stay common. Just kind of for, like, you know, simplicity's sake right now. We'll make glowing. Make glowing Nope. Uncommon. I misspelled that badly, my bad. And then we'll do rarity is equal to rare. Now, volcanic will probably be a pretty rare skin, I would say. We'll also need to make skin stats, because I do want the skins to also have stats to a degree. But that can come later. Because I want both the stats and... I want the both pickaxes and skins to have stats. Like volcanic doing more damage, glowing having more speed, something like that. Okay. So we've got the normal box here. And then we'll do module.get skin get box rarities equals function box. If box, then return skins rarities. Nope, not brick color. Box. If that doesn't work, then return skins rarities. Good. And now also module.get skins data equals function skin. With skin, then return skins data skin. Otherwise, return skins data. Really simple stuff. We'll also put this up here. Add some more basic color skins. Yeah, I probably should. What other basic skins could we add? Hello, Toad. Welcome to the stream. We could do like a bronze color. Or, I don't know. What are other like colors? Copper, I guess we could do. Yeah, something like this. So now let's go to here. We'll add another skin at the very start. Copper is equal to primary is equal to texture is equal to enum.material dot metal color is equal to color 3 RGB bing bong. All right, and then we do rarity is equal to common. Add in a thingamabobber. Variable. For now, yes, it's a proxy GUI. Black handle with a neon blue/red color. That could be interesting. I would say that would be a rare skin though, or like a rarer one. Different handle. Yeah, we could do one that's just a basic different handle. Let's see. We could do like a birch skin. So like give it a really pale, bright, almost like yellowish color. Like that. I think that works. So we'll do this. Birch will be equal to this. Primary. Actually, no, it won't have a primary. It'll only have a secondary. Texture will be equal to enum.material.wood. Color 3, the color will be equal to color 3 from RGB. And then also in the future, after we get this done, rarity equals common. We can also do, what's the word? Different like handle types as well, like handle textures beyond just like the cracked lava and the volcanic one. All right. So we've got a few different skins out. We've got some commons. We've got... Okay, we'll change this one to uncommon, since we now have a couple common ones. But we'll do one more common skin. Okay. Just so that way we have more commons than anything. What other common skin could we do? We could do like a sort of bronzish color. I don't remember what bronze looks like. Neon green. That's not a common skin color or skin type. We could make it like a rock skin, actually. So we'll do that, and we'll give it the slate texture. Yeah, that works, actually. We'll just make a stone texture, like this. Equals primary texture is equal to enum.material.slate color is equal to Marjorie pop. And then we'll do rarity is equal to common. There we go. Full on Minecraft pickaxe. Okay, so now that we have that, we can set up the shop next. So next up, we're going to need to make another GUI. GUIs are very tedious to make. I don't like working with them all that often, but it's fine. Shop GUI. Now let's grab a image button. Okay. And we will go back to this so that way we can see it better. Shop button. We'll do the same thing that we did there. And then we'll actually grab this and copy it over so that way it's a bit simpler for us. We'll bring it up to 4 and then 0.1, 0, 0.1, 0. Now let's work out the size of this. So there's the Y and the X. Slightly too far. Alright, I think that's probably about the best I'm going to get. Yeah, I think that works. Alright, so we will grab this. We're going to make the transparency all gone, and then we'll give it a temporary GUI. Let's see, what do I want to give this one? Let's take a look. Yeah, we can do this as the temporary GUI. Pot Kingdom. Alright, that'll be the temporary shop GUI. Now let's add in a text label. We'll make it 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0, 1, 0, 1. Or 0.3, 0. Okay. We'll make this fully transparent. We will scale the text, give it rich text. We'll name it shop. We'll give it the highly gothic. We'll give it like a bluish color. Yeah, something like that. Just for a little temporary icon. Icon text. And now, beyond that, we'll add a shop GUI. Shop frame. Right, now we don't really need the thingamabobber for this, so we'll turn that off and get back to this. We'll give it like a slightly blue color for now, although we're not going to keep this. We'll probably give it a background of some sort. 0.2. Do we want the shop to be like all front and center? What do y'all think? There, we'll do something like that. If we do, it would be literally right front and center. Like this. Well, no, I mean like the main GUI itself. Do you guys think it should be right in the middle of the screen or like off to the side next to the other stuff? Because I could put it off to the side, like this. Obviously, the height is going to be much larger like this. Side? All right, we'll work for the side then. 6. That'll work. All right. Now we will add a text label to the top here. We'll give it the same sort of ordeal. And then we'll do 0.5 and then 1 like this. So that we can be right front and center like that. And then 0.4, 0, 0.2, 0. Ooh, that's way too high. There we go. We will also give it the highway Gothic. Shop. Here, we'll actually just copy over the stuff from here. There we go. Now we'll make the text scale, although we will... Okay, so shop text. And we'll come into here and we'll do a UI text size constraint and max it out to like 30. There we go. Hello, El Chipo. Welcome to the stream. Alright. So now that we have that, how do we want to format this? I think this could actually probably stand to be thinner. Like instead of 3, we could do maybe 2.5 like that. I think that could work. Okay, so we're gonna want an area for pickaxes, an area for abilities, and an area for skins. So I guess for now, let's start by doing a frame, and we'll do shop sell. I think we'll actually also make another frame and name it main shop frame. We'll make it fully transparent. 0.5, 0.5. And we'll just make it take up the entire area like this, so that way that is in there. And so this will be the main shop area. Now we'll come into here, we'll make this 0.5. I like 0.8 actually for now. Okay. And then we'll do 0.5, 0.5. Make it nice and simple for now. Make it 2.5 down the middle, and then like maybe 2.5 down like that. Let's see, so if it were a band of 3, actually, then we would need to do more like 2. We'll do 2.5, and then for the X, we'll do 4.5. We'll do 4. Okay, and we'll actually do more like... We'll do more like 3. Yeah, that works. We'll do 3.5. There's a reason why. Okay. And we'll just make it shop cell for now. And we'll do an image button. 0.5s. Nope. 0.5, 0.5. Make the background fully transparent. Something like this. There we go. And then we will add... We'll give it just another icon for now. So for now, I guess we'll use the job board icons from Steam. Once again, we'll be replacing all of these in the future. So now we'll do a text label. We will name it, or let's see, we'll do 0.5, 0.5. Make it almost fully transparent for the time being. 0.50, 0.90. And we'll give it a real thin deal. Something like that. Yeah, that'll work. I don't exactly like where it is, so let's do 8.5, too much. Okay. So instead... Well, I'm going to need to find a middle point between these anyways. So 8.5 and 9. So we need to do 8.75. And we'll do maybe like 17 there. Text scaled. UI text size constraint. We'll give it like a max of 20. And we'll name this shop text. Oh, I guess we don't need to name the thing yet. We'll make this a shop cell for skins cell. Skins icon. Skins text. Skins. Okay. And we'll give it the usual thingamabobber. There, something like that. That works well enough for a GUI. All right. So we've got that working. Now let's make another one, and we will put this at 7.5. And we'll name this Pickaxes Cell. Change all the stuff. Pickaxes icon. Okay. We'll add another cell for abilities in the future. Whoops. Might need to change this shop GUI a little bit at some point. Okay, and then we'll make this abilities. And we'll give these each their own icon. Pickaxes will get this icon. Abilities will get this icon. Okay. Now we will add another text label to this one. Make it 1010. Fully transparent, but text scaled. Highway Gothic. Coming soon. Okay, and then we'll make the text slightly transparent. Is there anything else that we could do with this, really, that would be interesting? Not really, from the looks of it. Which text? Yeah, I don't think there's much we can do about it, really. We could do 2.5, 2.5. Like this. We'll make the Y like 7. And then we will take away the background transparency somewhat. And we'll give it like redness like that. Alright. And then we'll duplicate this and put it into abilities as well, because those are not coming out this update. We are not making those yet. Hang on, I'm answering Discord stuff right now. I got a bunch of pings for some reason. Alrighty. Check my Discord real quick. So that's the shop ready. So now that we have these ready, we need to make the next frame, which will be the skins shop frame. Now, firstly, we're going to add a back button. Five. That is really bad. There we go. Now we'll add in text scaled, which text, highway Gothic, white, and then 0.5. And then UI text size constraint, my beloved. I love this thing. It's so handy. Okay, and then 0.5, 0, 0.80. We'll put it a little bit lower down like that. Okay. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Back. We'll close that out. We don't need that right now. Make that slightly brighter, just so that way it's a bit more aesthetically pleasing. All right, now I suppose we need to make a what's it called? We need to make a thing for boxes. How do I want to do this? I guess like a grid would work. Well, I guess I would need like a scroll frame. There. Okay. Let's make this a good bit bigger. Now I'm actually going to get rid of the bottom and top image, and we'll make the scroll bar slightly bluish, and we'll make it like 6. Like that. Okay. And then we'll do box and scroll. Okay. So I think that's about everything. Ooh, the voice crack. Alright, let's see. There. I'll add a frame into here. UI grid or list layout? Actually, the list layout might be better. Oh, that is way too big. Something like that. Once again, we'll mess around with the stuff like that. Yeah, I don't think that matters. Okay, so now we'll do box frame. We'll duplicate this again just to see how the layout works. We don't want it wrapping. We want it filling vertical, sorting. We'll do by layout order. Horizontal alignment. I don't think it really matters. Horizontal flex, item line alignment, item alignment. Oh god, this is why I don't like GUIs. It takes so long to set these stupid things up. Oh my god. It's whatever though, it'll be worth it. Yeah, let's add a padding of like 3. That'll work. Get rid of that. I will add in another thing. I guess we could work out like a GUI, like an image for this or something. Image label. Box icon. Do 2.5. 1. You'll know the drill by now. Okay, then we'll do We'll do 0, 0, 0 0.8, 0. And then like maybe 0 0.2 there. Okay. 2, 5. 2, 8. 2, 9. 3, 3. Nice. Sweet. Perfect. 75 by 75. That is exactly what we were looking for. Get a little bit further over. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll give it a quick icon. Thankfully, I have a perfect thing for this from my other game. It's the block icons for classic lava. We'll just use those for now until we can make some better icons for this. Oh my god, it's already been an hour and we don't even have the shop ready. That's not good, but it's whatever. So now we'll do text label box name 1 5. Actually, we'll do 0 on that. Let's see. So the box itself is about 0.3. So we could probably do 0.5, 0, 0.3, 0, something like that. Text scaled. Highway Gothic. We'll give it just a basic thing. Of course, UI text size constraint, just to make sure it doesn't get too large. Okay. And now 0.45 and then 0.2. I don't like how far over that is, actually. We'll move it a little bit closer. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. And we'll give it a little bit more width like that. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Now we'll do a text button buy box. And we'll actually grab the exact size and positioning of the other box. To set things up. Alright, why is that weird? Oh, I did it backwards, that's why. There we go. Now we will actually take this and bring it down to like 6. Yeah, something like that. Make it a slightly transparent thing. Make the border size like 3. Okay, and then we'll do text scaled. By box. Grab Highway Gothic. Size constraint. 20. Okay. We'll give this a slightly visible outline as well. I think the outline is kind of like the key in making a very cartoony looking GUI, or like, you know, GUIs for more casual games like this. I feel like the text outline is just perfect for it. Okay, so that should work now. I feel like we should actually change this to maybe a greenish color for the buy box. I feel like that might fit better. There. Okay. I don't think we really need any extra details on this. So if we were to duplicate this, now there are multiple boxes. So one thing I do want to add is a frame here. We actually want to take it out of the scroll frame. I've never seen past the free models section in Roblox Studio. That's fair. Yeah, Mudkit, that's what we're actually exactly about to get into. I'm going to add a little... So like how we had the gems and money show up when we hover over this, I'm going to have a little GUI that shows up here that displays the rarities when you hover over it. Rarity screen. Okay. So yeah, good catch there. Alright, let's grab the colors and stuff of all of this. 0.4. I don't really think there's any other colors, actually. So we'll do 0.5 on the Y. We'll do a size of 0.1, 0, 0.70. That is way too thin. Okay, and now we'll do 1.1, 0, 0.50. Okay, a little bit too far over. I think being closer to it would help it, like that. So what's up? Well, first of all, welcome Jimmy to the stream. I didn't say that already. But this is a series called Let's Make a Game, where we are just making a game entirely from scratch. This entire series is public. It'll be visible or viewable on the CSGO crates. Kind of. Oh shoot! I forgot to change this around. Actually, let's actually add another button, and we will instead have the position be at like 1. So all the way up here. We'll actually change the back button to be a little bit thinner. There. It doesn't need to be all that large. So then this one will be change view. View skins. We'll make it slightly thinner because I think it's a bit too chunky right now. that's too thin. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this isn't going... Okay. Oh my god, when you put it that way, actually, yes, this is very close to CSGO's type of loot box system. There's loot boxes that you can buy, but then you can also buy the skins directly. I'm recording by accident. Oh my god, I keep doing this. Yeah, you actually... This is exactly like CSGO, because you can swap over and buy... You can buy the skins directly just for a higher price than the keys. Oh my god, I hate that you said that, because now I can't unpicture it. I thought I was being original here, but no, someone had to come by and ruin my fucking... Oh my god. It's whatever. It's fine. I didn't want to be unique anyways. Oh my god. No, you're fine. I'm messing with you. Alright. Let's duplicate this. Zero 0.5. We'll make the width like 8. And we'll actually lower this down a little bit. So like, no. 6. Something like that. We'll drop that down and give it a very light GUI. Now, do keep in mind, this will probably undergo a whole renovation when we make the actual like background as well, but for now we have to work with this. So rarity text. We'll do 0.5. 1, 1, 0, 0.20. That is way too big. Okay. And we'll do 0.50, 0.10. Okay. Once again, say it with me now, text scaled, but also UI text size constraints, so that way it doesn't get huge. Do like 30. We'll make it the Highway Gothic, but give it a bold. Give it a purple color, and then a 0 backdrop like that. I actually don't know if I like the bold all that much. Is there like a spacing that I can do? Text stroke color, text size, text scale, text truncate. There's no like spacing? That's annoying. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Well, damn. Why have I not used that? What? Okay, whatever. Rarities. Yeah, I don't like it. We're gonna go back to this. Yeah, I like that more. Crates, gems, coins. This will be available on the App Store. I mean, being real, you're not far off. I mean, I am a prideful dev, so most of the time, like 90% of the time, I try to make completely original games, and I still would like to think that this is a more original take on a round-based minigame. But unfortunately, because I'm so prideful of my more original games, I don't want to monetize them with all the stupid monetization and like tropes that more common Roblox games have. And so I'm trying to make a game here that I would not feel bad about monetizing, while also still trying to keep it, you know, not just another copy-paste thing that's on Roblox already. So that's the goal, but we're not... Who knows? The game could completely flop, let's be real. And also, let's be real, it probably will. Because that's just how these things go, so... we'll do text label 1, 0, 0.10. Does this work in this? I don't know if it does or not. I guess we'll find out. So let's add in a padding of 5 pixels. We'll give it a... It shows like it works with the position, so I think it works. 0.8. Okay, and then we'll give it... Actually, we'll do... Shit, I didn't mean to... I just didn't mean to completely delete it. .9. Anchor point will be 0.5. That doesn't work. Okay. Can I have it from the center? Center. Yes. Okay. We're good. Can I have it pad from the top a little bit? Can I? Vertical alignment. Okay, that works. So we'll do... we'll name this common. We'll have it be Highway Gothic. Light. Left. And we'll do common 0%. Okay, we'll have it be centered. We'll have it be centered, whatever. Like that. Okay. Now let's duplicate this. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we'll name this one uncommon. We'll name this one rare. We'll name this one unique. And this one legendary. you know, pretty standard. We'll give them slightly different colors just to differentiate them a little bit. You know, gotta go with the tried and true regular uncommon green, rare blue, unique would normally be purple, but I kind of want to go yellow on it. And then legendary, we can do like a bright and fiery orange. Okay, and then we can actually even change out the coloration some. Okay, and then unique we'll give like a more antique yellow feel. Just make it purple. At least it's not a simulator. Looks fun, not gonna lie, but nowadays you can't make fully original game. I thought making Roblox games was like coding the Matrix up until now. Yeah, I didn't even learn how to make games fully on my own until July 2022 or so. But ever since that time, I decided myself that I was going to become a solo dev. So yeah. Here, let me change these out now. Let me change out the text. Uncommon? Unnomen. Ah, yes, my favorite. Unnomen. Okay, and then we'll do rare, unique, and legendary. That's not bad. I don't... Okay, hang on. Why is it like that? Where is it? List layout. Center. Get back in the center. Okay. We'll actually change all of these to be slightly thicker. There we go. Just so that way it's a bit less whatever. I don't like how the uncommon and the legendary kind of touch the edges, but I don't know if there's all that much I can do about it. We'll do a UI text size constraint. Jesus, that's small text already. Okay, yeah, no, there's nothing I can really do about that. It's already very small text, so we shouldn't do that. We could just delete or make these invisible, like that. I think I like having that there, though, so I think we're going to keep it like that. Alright, and then we're going to... That's not what I'm going to do. We're going to completely make that invisible for the time being. I didn't know what it's like because we do build with F3X, and most of it's solo builds because staying up late at night with fire music and I'm working too long and that's what this fire. I've personally never used many plugins for building. Like, the only plugins I use for developing in general are a NPC dialogue tree, material flip, which is very useful for like lining up wood grain and brick textures, moon animator and all of its assigned things, a curve thing, which is very handy. I love this thing. It is so fast working and it does it so easy. I love this thing. I use it everywhere. And that's it. That's all I use. I think I have some other plugins, but I've not enabled them in ages, so. Alright, so we've got all this. Now we need to make the actual screen, which is not going to be part of the shop GUI, so we'll actually make the shop GUI functional first. Okay, so let's disable this, and we will enable this. And now we'll go to here, local script, open shop. Okay, so now we need to do script.parent.mouse button one up connect function doot. I don't think we really need much for this because this is just like menu navigation. So honestly, the coding for it is really simple. It's mostly just setting it up that takes forever. So with this, we'll now do script. We'll make some variables at least, so that way it's a little bit neater, I guess. local main shop frame script.parent.parent.parent local skins shop no, we'll do just skin shop frame script.parent.parent.parent.parent skin shop frame. Okay, and then we'll do we'll also do a debounce just for simplicity's sake, even though it really doesn't make a difference. Local db false. If db then return end. Okay, and we'll do db true. Main shop frame dot visible to false. Skin shop frame dot visible to true. db false. Okay. Now that that's ready, that's literally all that we needed to do for this. So we will close that out. Wrong thing. Yeah, actually, no, that is the right thing. So now we'll close out of that, turn this on. And now, real quick, I want to make a here box frame. We'll do wrong thing. We'll do a local script. Frame handler. And we'll do local rarity screen is equal to script.parent.parent.parent.rarity screen. Okay. Now we'll do local buy button equals script.parent.buybox. Okay, so firstly we'll do script.parent.mouse enter function, and then do the same thing, script parent mouse leave next function. Do actually, real quick, let's do something else, because I feel like because a thing with game design is you have to assume that your players are idiots, because you will have idiot players, which is a rude thing to say, but it's true. You will need to make quality assurance for the most random of things. So real quick, we are going to add in a thing. Box name. We will make it pure white. We'll make this much smaller. And then we will give this to in fact, we'll even make that smaller. 2 point. God, way too small. I keep doing that. There. And now we'll name this box name. Yeah, you need to make things idiot-proof. So the reason why I'm adding this is because even though, yes, you do need to hover over this for this to show, there may be times when people don't put 2 and 2 together to realize that hovering over this is showing these rates. So we want to add in the name so that way they know exactly what these rarities are for. Don't worry, all the boxes will be attainable in what's it called? They'll be attainable in game without needing to do anything. I might add something like maybe a premium box that only premium users can use or something, but it won't be anything broken. At most, in regards to like monetization, the only thing for monetization I might add is maybe like a VIP or something, which maybe gives you a starter item that's slightly better than the regular, but isn't better than later game stuff. And maybe like a 0 or 1.1 times multiplier, so like a 10% more coins at the end of every round. Something crazy. Something simple like that. It's not going to be anything huge, don't worry. I'm not going to fill this thing to the brim with every game pass that I can manage. I'm not going to like squeeze every dollar out by doing like 500 coins for 5 Robux or some shit like that. Because I hate those types of things. I don't want to do those things. I mean, it took me ages just to add a donation game pass to my main project that actually is like my 1 coin for 1,000 Robux. That is my pride and joy. Alright, so frame handler. We'll do rarity screen dot box name dot text is equal to normal box. And we'll do rarity screen. Rarities. Now we do actually need to do a little bit of something here. We need to get the data tables module. So local data tables is equal to required. I know some people get mad because the replicated storage is in its own folder or whatever, but I really don't care. Or it's not a defined variable, but like this is a simple game. I'm not going to need all that. I might in the future, but I can work it out later. There's not going to be that much code in this game. So local box rarities is equal to data tables dot get box rarities normal box. I think that's what it's named in here. Yes. I don't imagine I can put a space here, right? Yeah, unfortunately not. Oh well. I'll just have to change these individual values. It's nothing too bad. And now we'll do for IP in pairs. Box rarities. Then we'll do local GUI is equal to rarity screen dot rarities my first child I think that should work. Then we do if GUI then GUI dot text is equal to I dot dot blank dot dot v dot dot percent. And that should work, I think. I barely understand anything that pops up unless I press Control Shift C. This is the matrix coding. Control Shift C? I'm hesitant to press that, but okay, I don't know what Control Shift C does, but I know for Control Shift V in game, that pastes whatever's in your clipboard inside of a inside of whatever you have selected. But, okay, so that should do that. And I don't think we really we'll change it out. We'll just make it safe. Rarity screen dot box name dot text box name for IP in pairs. Rarity screen dot rarities get children. Do if V is a text label, then V dot text will be equal to V dot name dot dot. Oops. 0%. And so that should change it back to 0%. Nobody should ever see this part, but it's whatever. So now we'll do rarity screen dot visible equals false. And right here, rarity screen dot visible is equal to true. Okay. Does inspect element. That's what you ordered by the. Oh yeah. That's HTML, I believe. I kind of know HTML. Ugh, voice crack. Oh my god. Shoot, I'm out of a drink. Let me open up a water bottle real quick. Surprisingly, not a Code Red. I know. Shocking, ain't it? How's my mic quality, by the way? I've been noticing that it's kind of small, or kind of... Oh my god, sorry, the cap is not coming out of this water bottle. What did they do to this cap? Okay, that's not coming off for some reason. Here, let me just... Bro. I just splashed water on myself. That's not good. Sorry, you know the, like, thin little ring that usually gets left behind when you crack open a bottle, that just is not coming off of this bottle cap for some reason. Yeah, it's probably based on the distance between me and my mic. Like right now I'm kind of far away. But when I get back closer, it probably gets a little bit better because of the noise canceling. I've got a fan going because of the summertime, and my AC in my apartment is not the best, so it gets very hot in here sometimes. It should be fixed later in, like, towards November, which is a while away, I know, but yeah, once colder temperatures finally start rolling around, which, since I'm in Alabama, is not going to be anytime soon, it just gets too hot in here, so I have to have a fan on, which means that my noise canceling has to work overdrive. So, yeah. Alright, so that's all that. That should work properly now. And now we'll do script.parent.bybox.mouse.1 connect function, doop doop. Then we'll do local db is equal to false. If db, then return end, db equal to true. Put bind stuff in here. db equals false. Okay. Yeah, so unfortunately, since I live in the south, it doesn't actually get to, like, colder temperatures until October, November, December, if we're lucky. Usually it takes until about January to get, like, to consistently, like, 30s and 40s. So I have to have my fan on almost 24/7. Otherwise, I melt to death. This is my mic quality when I have my desk fan off and my room fan down by one stage. I usually have it on max stage, so yeah. Anyways, I need to get back into this because we are taking way too long on this. Alright, so we have that. Let's do back, script button, back button. I forgot I spilled water on my desk. I've got an exorbitant amount of napkins, thankfully, but had to wipe that clean real quick. Okay. Back with this. Do local in shop frames. We'll do script.parent.parent. And we'll do local main shop frames. Script.parent.parent.parent.main shop frame. Okay, and we'll do use false. Script.parent. Command function. And db equal true. In shop frame dot visible false. In shop frame dot visible equal true. Just got a Mountain Dew ad. You would think it would be sponsored, but no, actually, I wish I was. Like, Code Red Mountain Dew is my brand at this point. I drink way too much of it, and it's literally my status on Discord. Which, by the way, if you have not, I have a Discord server. I have two, actually. But I think the link up here is relating to my general server, which is where most of my stream stuff goes down. So if you want to keep up with me and get pings whenever I go live, you can join that. Okay. So that's the box frame. So now let's add another scroll frame. Except we'll make this one thinner. Skin frame. We'll make this not visible for the time being. Grab the icon and make it thinner. 2.5, 2.3, 2.1, Okay. We will move the icon a little bit further over. Like that. By skin. We'll move this down a little bit to like 7. We'll maybe move it over some. 3. No, we'll keep it off to the edge like that. Now we'll take the box name and we'll actually move that down a little bit as well. 2.5. Skin name. Okay, whatever. Skin icon. Alright, now we don't actually need these for this. Okay. There we go. Skin name rarity. Okay, and then we'll change the thing here to by skin 1. Okay. Now we'll name this the skin scroll frame. And we'll make it invisible, and then we'll make this visible. Now we'll actually go back to the back button real quick. And then we'll do script.parent.parent.skin scroll frame.visible is equal to false, and script.parent.parent.box scroll frame.visible is equal to true. And that's just so that way it'll be set back to default when we go through with that. So now we'll duplicate this and change this to, or put this to change view. Change view. Now we'll delete these. DV is equal to false. I forgot to put that in the back button. Okay. So now we do local skin scroll. Bruh. Grab this. Is equal to that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We'll do local box scroll frame is equal to grab this. Get rid of that. Get rid of all that and that. Okay, true. Now we'll do if box scroll frame visible is equal to true, then else box scroll frame visible is equal to false. Script.parent.parent.box scroll. There. Skin scroll frame visible is equal to true. Box skin scroll frame visible is equal to false. Box scroll frame visible is equal to true. Okay. What else was there? I feel like there was something else I needed to do. Yes. Script.parent.text would be equal to view skins. Script.parent.text is equal to view boxes. Alright, that should work. We're almost ready to have this set up, actually. Last thing we'll be making is the loot box and the actual buying of the skins. I believe. So now, let's also add in a local script here. We'll do shop handler. And then we'll do local players equal to game dot players.local player. And we do if player.team is equal to game.teams.minors, then I need to change that to be a double equals. There we go. Then we'll do script.parent.enabled is equal to false. Okay. And that's just so that way when they're in the middle of the round, they can't buy anything. Okay. Now beyond that, we'll do script.parent.shop button. Mouse button up, connect function, doot. We'll do if script.parent.shopFrame.visible is equal to false, then change that to be that. Script.parent.shopFrame.visible is equal to true. Else script.parent.visible is equal to false. Now I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this. Like I'm pretty sure you can just do like script.parent.shopFrame.visible is equal to not script.parent.shopFrame.visible. Like I think you can do that and it'll achieve the same effect, but I don't care enough, so we're just going to do it the simple way. Actually, this is probably the harder way, but the simple brained way is the way to say it. Like this is the way that a normal like beginner coder would probably code it, and I just don't care enough, being real. So it's whatever. Alright, so that should be that. So now if we go to here, make this visible, make this not, and then make this invisible. Now we can test and see if this all works. Okay. Shop. It is kind of in the way of the chat. I didn't think about that. Rarities, 65, 25, 10, and 0. Oh, something's wrong. Buy box. That is on the frame handler? Okay, we'll take a look at that later. Alright. Frame handler. Buy box. Oh. Buy skin. I bet that's what it is. Oh, no, never mind. What is this? Skin shop frame. Frame handler. No, it's not that. Although that does need to change. Buy skin. There. We also don't need the rarity skin or rarity screen. Okay, so what's wrong with this? Buy box is not a valid member of skin frame. Huh? Okay, so it was the right thing then, I think. Yeah, it wasn't the boxed scroll frame at all. I don't know why that was open then, but whatever. Alright, let's check this again. Shop frame, skins, buy box is there, rarity is there. Alright, looks like it works. Or at least the navigation of it works. Going back to this, it does disappear and you can't use it. Good. Oh yeah, I need to change these back to 0. I didn't even think about that. It's been at 230. There. Okay. So now that we have that all set up... Oh, right. One thing I was going to do real quick. Player data, pickaxes, simple pickaxe. Mine, where is it? Oh, right, no, it's not in that. It's in here. Swing speed is just 1. Okay. Alright, so we are almost 2 hours into the stream, and we still haven't even started on a map. That's a problem. But it's fine. We can't really continue without getting the shop done anyways, so we might as well do it now. So I guess what we need to do now is create a shop thing. Script by handler. And now we're going to need to make an event for this. By event. Okay. Now we need to do local by event is equal to game.ref.events.byEvent. Script dot, or no, wrong thing. By event dot on server event connect function player. And we'll work that out in a moment. So now let's go into the box frame. Or no, wrong thing. Or, yeah, no, that's the right thing. Never mind. We'll go here. Local by event is equal to game.ref.events.byEvent. So then we'll do by event fire server. So we're going to need player and action. And then item. We'll get around to that when we get to it. So for now, let's do fire server. So let's go. Let's turn on the shop frame. Turn that off. Turn this on. Turn box frame on. Yep. All right, so this is just the normal box frame. So we're just going to make this the normal box frame. Normal box. Okay. So then we will come to here. Fire server script.parent.name. Or no, we'll do by box script.parent.name. Okay. And now we're going to do if action is equal to script.parent.name, then else if action is equal to, or whoops, my bad, is equal to by box, then let me do else if action is equal to by skin, then there. We're also going to add in the other ones for now, but we're not going to be doing anything with them for the time being. Else if action is equal to by pickaxe, then else if action is equal to by ability. And we're not going to do anything with those for now. Those are unimportant. Or we'll do by skin box, just in case. Because I might add in boxes for... I'm going to add in boxes for pickaxes as well. I know that. But... yeah. So firstly, we'll do as well... local miner team is equal to game.team.miners. We'll do if player.team is equal to miner team, then return end. And we're just doing that to make sure that they are not doing it. Because, for those who don't know, for coding, you need to be very careful, because exploiters can use anything that you put on the client side. And they can also use remote events on the server side. So you need to be very particular and careful about the way that you do, that you go about handling remote events. Because those are very powerful things. You need to secure them as best as you can. Otherwise, you'll lead into things like what happened with Steam, my game, my personal project, where someone was able to destroy parts of the map because I accidentally didn't secure a position that ended up letting them destroy things. We'd be able to get a duplicate of the skins. Yes, but I have an alternate method for that. So the idea for skins and pickaxes is that they will have stats. However, and they will, like, you will be able to get multiples of them, which is why in the skins frame, the skin scroll frame, there is buy skin 1x, one copy of a skin. Oh, I didn't put a price here. No wonder this thing looks odd. I didn't put a price in this thing. Okay, let me move the buy button a bit down. Maybe not that far down. 7.5. Then we'll add in another thing here. We'll do like 4. And then we'll make it 2. 4, 5. That works. And now we'll grab the money color. Okay. Box cost. There. But yeah, so the idea is that if you get enough copies of a skin, then you will unlock it as a vanity skin or a vanity pickaxe, and you'll be able to equip them without needing to have the thing. I could, but I feel like that actually is better to have it all right up front. Okay, so now we also need to add this into the other frame. So let's duplicate this, put it in there, and then we will make this invisible and this something visible. Okay. Now we need to move the skin up a bit. We'll do like 2 on it and 3. Nope. And 3.5 there. Nope, wrong thing. 7.5 there. Okay, maybe I do need to make these just a little bit bigger. Like 1.2 maybe? So I'll need to make the thing good again. Oof, that's a bad lineup. Size 2.5, 2.4. That works. All right, let's actually move this slightly over. We'll do... Shoot. I'm worrying too much about making this look good right now, but it's whatever. Okay. There. Now we'll make this not visible, and we'll make this visible. Now let's actually check the icon on this. Okay, so it is about right. Good. So then we can turn this back off. All right, we're good again. Could also upgrade skins to make them better. I don't know if I want to do that. Because the skins are supposed to just be raw rarity bits. Being real. Okay. So that's that. That's working now. I guess let's work on the box frame. Like the boxes first. Let's make these work. Alright, so then after we... Okay, so now we will turn this back to normal. Should we? Trying to think about how I want to handle this. Yeah, probably to be safe, I should do that. So we'll do script.parent dot parent dot parent dot parent, or no, dot visible false script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot main shop frame dot visible. true, although then we'll do script.parent.parent .parent .parent .visible is equal to false. Alright. Buy skin box. So now we need to do a little bit more. So let's go to here. We'll do local box cost. Box costs is equal to normal box is equal to, we'll say 50 for now, just for the sake of whatever. Module.get box costs is equal to function box with box, then return box costs box return box costs. Okay. Good sense. Oh yeah, sorry, I already read that. Okay. So we'll do local data table is equal to require gaming.rev.modules. Data tables. Then for skin box, we'll do I just realized I'm kind of making this I'm writing myself into a corner here, so let's fix this before we do anything bad. Normal box. Normal skin box. Just want to make sure that we don't mess things up any. There. Okay, so the reason why I did that is because if I don't do that, then when I add pickaxe boxes, when there's a normal pickaxe box, if I had just kept it named normal box, then that would have caused conflict. So we did that real quick, just to fix that up. So we do local box cost is equal to data tables.get box cost item. Okay. Now we also do local box rarities equal to data tables.get box rarities item. This item should be script.parent.name, which is the box skin thing. Normal skin box. Yep. All right. So now that we have that, there, if box costs and box rarities, then all right, now let's go to the data so we can view this. We'll do local money is equal to player.data.stats.money. We do if money.value is greater than or equal to box cost, then continue on. All right, now that that's all done, actually, we need to temporarily disable that so that way we can make a new GUI for this. A new screen GUI, and we'll name it Box GUI. We'll grab this, but we're going to delete it of basically everything. We'll make it visible. We will give it a position of 5 over, and we will make the size less tall and more wide. Like that. All right. Blocks frame. Blocks text. And we will give this a little bit more height. Oops. Box name. Okay. Oof. I'm gonna be real. I think I was a bit overzealous. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this in time tonight. Which really sucks, because that means that it's going to take until next Wednesday before I can actually finish this game. Or get it to a point where we can release it, but oh well. Well, it depends. If I have a job next week as well, I might need to change my schedule around for streaming, which is really going to suck if so, but it's whatever. Alright, so now let's add a image label. Supervisor 0.5. We'll grab just any random asset from now. So now we'll do, let's get back into device. Okay, that works. Okay. We'll do box icon. We'll do box text. We'll grab this. Let's see, that is at 2.5. We'll give it some good, whoops. We'll give it some good, some good width. Give it some good, whatever, and then align it to the top. Should already have the text scaled all down. Yep. We'll actually make it slightly larger. There we go. Okay. Rolling text. All right, we're over the 2-hour mark on the stream. So we've got this. Let me add a close button. Text button. Close button. Which text? Text scale. Gothic. Rose. Five, 1.05. Oops, 0. And then we'll do 0.3, 0, 0.2, 0. Actually, we'll do like 1.5. Okay. Ta-da! We'll also grab the rolling text, make that fully transparent. Okay. Do local script. Also, action is close GUI, then if item is equal to if item is screen GUI, then if item let me do if item find first ancestor player dot name, then item destroy. Okay. Close script. We'll do local by event. We'll do game dot rep dot events dot by event, and we'll do script dot parent dot function local db equals false if db then db equals true by event fire server close GUI script dot parent dot parent dot parent. Yep. All right. Now we'll not even have this enable until the rolling is done. God dang it, I keep accidentally pressing my record button. So I keep accidentally starting clips. Alright, some good progress. We've got the GUI set up now. Now with this all set up, we can go about doing the other stuff. So let's make a new folder in here. We'll name it GUI stuff. Get rid of the J. Folder. Item icons. Folder. Skins. And now we'll do a decal. And we'll just give these all manner of different things. So we need... Okay, so in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or no, how did I count 7? Okay, 6. There. So we have copper, birch, stone, gilded, glowing, and volcanic for now. So I have a gold block here. We'll use that for gilded. I have a stone icon. We'll use that for stone. I don't have a copper, so I guess we'll give that like the glass texture for the time. Glass is actually, no, we'll give it the fabric texture. The glass one is kind of hard to differentiate. Birch, could use the wood one. All right, let's continue on. We'll give the light icon to the wrong thing. Glowing. We've got, okay. So all the ones that don't have one are birch and volcanic. So we'll give birch the wood one and volcanic the obsidian one. There we go, nice and simple. All right. Now let's set up a table. Local rarity colors is equal to rarity colors. We'll make it a table. We'll do common equal to that. Now we need to actually get the colors from the GUI that we set up earlier in the rarity script, right here. Photo 3, Army GD, 255, 255. Though it doesn't actually even need the table, it just needs that. Uncommon, that. It's equal to. We could probably use the other one, but I don't really like the border thing, but I really don't care enough to do it, so. Because it also has different transparencies and everything. Maybe I'll add it in later, but for now, we're just going to set it up so that way it works. Okay, so that's all of that. All right, now we need to work out a rolling mechanic. Meaning we're going to do selected skin. Okay, and now we'll do local roll amount. And we'll do equals math.random 25 to, we'll say 75. And now for I equals 1, roll amount, do. Okay, and now we need to work out a way to space the timer. So we have a max amount of numbers there. Then we have this. So I think, okay, so let's do some math here, because I'm not super up to snuff with my math. So if we do 75 divided by 29, that'll be not the right thing. So if we do 29 divided by 75, then. All right, so I think that's how we do it. So we'll do task.wait 1 divided by, or we'll do I divided by roll amount. Okay. And now we'll do, now we need to set up the skin stuff. The skins rarities and whatnot. So now we've got the box rarities already, so that's fine. The problem actually lies in choosing a rarity. So I guess, do I use rarity, skins, data? Or, well, get box rarities. Do I use that anywhere yet? Normal skin box. Or no, that I need skins data. Get skins data. Is that used at all yet? No, it's not. Good. Then I can delete that, because we actually need to change this around. There, and then we'll do local skins rarities is equal to this. Then we'll do common is equal to one table. We'll do uncommon as another table. Rare as another. Yada, yada, yada. Unique as another. And legendary as that one. Okay. Now we got to actually input these ourselves. So copper, birch, stone, gilded, and glowing, volcanic. All right. I feel like we should have one. We should make 2 more skins for unique and legendary. Actually, I would say that volcanic would probably be a legendary. So let's move volcanic to legendary. And now we'll get 2 more skins for rare and unique. Just because I feel like it's something that we should tackle sooner rather than later. Just so that way we're not struggling, like, so that way we can make sure every tier works with this. So a rare idea I already had that I just wasn't going to add. Let's go gambling! Exactly. Was just a pure white one. Like this. Should be simple enough. So let's do, right here, we'll do purity will be equal to that. This would be... Alright, so we'll do primary will be equal to texture is equal to enum.material.neon. Color from RGB 255, 255, 255. Okay, and then secondary. Oh wait, no, wrong thing. Secondary will be equal to texture. Whoops. Texture is equal to enum.material.wood. Other from RGB. I forgot the other thing there. Hang on. Color and color. 99% of kindergarten is shiny poop bragging rights. Actually, though, oh my god, I don't want to even think about the fact that this could be comparable to Soul's RNG. God, that disgusting thing. Okay, so now we've got purity, which we also need to give a thing now. Wrong thing. So we need to go purity. We need to give this a testing icon. I guess for purity, we'll give it the glacier icon. There, and now we need one more skin idea. Do you guys have any ideas? One more skin for a unique skin. So just below legendary, like volcanic, which would be like, you know, ones that everybody would want, that they would think are cool. but above rare, so it could affect both thingamabobbers. Sandstone. I feel like sandstone would be like a rare or an uncommon. You can get a bit more creative with it. Like purity is a bit more of an arbitrary theme. I might even do things like particles for these in the future, but right now we're just going to focus on this. So what skin could we make for this that would be considered unique? Let's see, what textures are there? Plaster, neon, leather, marble, limestone. Ooh, frozen. Frozen could be good. Because there is ice texture. So we could do like glacier for the... not a bad idea. We could maybe do that one next. Like nature-esque. Alright, so let's see. Let's go for like a... light blue, whatever. And then we'll go for a more like deep blue. Yeah, like that. I like that. Okay, that's a good one. Sorry, I know I asked you guys for an opinion and then just went off on my own, but... Frozen... Texture... Yeah. Texture... Or, whoops. Texture will be equal to enum dot material dot... Glacier... Colors equal to color. Bing bong. Then we'll do secondary equal to texture equal to dot material dot ice. Color equal to color 3 from RGB. Let's grab it here. There. And then rarity equals unique. Okay. And we'll add it into here. See what I mean by like content or adding content to this game is going to take like 5 minutes for every update. Like it's really not going to take all that long. Frozen. Wait, I gave Purity the glacier texture, so we got to give Purity something else now. We'll give Purity brick texture, I guess. It doesn't fit at all, but it's whatever. I just don't know what else to give it. Maybe make the handle transparent. Not a bad idea, but that would be a bit of extra specific coding, so I don't think we're going to. Maybe in the future I'll refine it, and like when I add particles and stuff, I'll do that, but for now we're not going to handle, or we're not going to bother with it, so. All right. So what was I doing? Right here. Roll amount. So now we need to actually do this right here. We are going to grab this thing, which is a randomizer. For ED in pairs or table. So for this, we're going to need the box rarities, I believe. Because the box rarities should be all of these. Rarities. Where's the ore rarities at? Hang on. Ore table. Get ore values. Alright, so let's look through this again. You may struggle to tell the difference between 1 in a million and 1 in a billion. It all seems like a big number to the brain. Dude, the difference between a million and a billion is astonishing. Alright, let's see. Box rarities. Parent rarity is equal to D plus rarity. So for this, so that had to do that. For this, I think we can just do D. If chance num is current, then return E. So we'll do local chosen skin is equal to choose skin. Okay. Now I might actually migrate this to be an external function so that way we can use it on the buy other boxes as well, but for now we'll just leave it there just because it's been taking forever. Alright. Now, before we do anything further with that, actually, we're going to go ahead and set up the rest of the... We're going to set up the GUI. Local... Or we'll do money.value minus equals box cost. And then local GUI clone. Folder... Interactive GUI. We'll put the box GUI into there for the time being. Is equal to game.replicated storage.gui stuff.interactive GUI box GUI clone. Or well, item text. Okay, that should work, and this should also work with any thing, so we shouldn't have to make multiple rolling things, which is nice, right? That's box name. It's whatever. Okay. GUI clone, so then we'll do GUI clone dot box frame dot item text dot text will be equal to item. It's a bit annoying because there won't be the space, but it's whatever. It's not a huge deal. Now we'll do GUI clone dot parent will be equal to player dot player GUI. Now here's to hoping that we can make it so that way things don't get a little bit weird. Alright, so we've got that now. Now, if we do... Get that out of there. We'll do if GUI clone, then oh, we also need to get the box rarities or the skins rarities. Module.get skin rarities is equal to a function rarity. If rarity, then return skins rarities rarity. But for now, we're going to also just do return skins rarities. Okay. Now on this end, we'll just do Local skins rarities will be equal to data tables that get skins rarities. All right. Then we'll do local chosen here will be that one, and then local chosen skin will be equal to skins rarities chosen tier, and then math.random1 number of skins rarities chosen tier. I think that should work. Because that should go through box rarities, which will be these. Honestly, I don't even think I need the legendary and unique in there, but it's whatever. In fact, yeah, we'll do if D is less than or equal to 0, then continue. End. And that'll skip over those, so they shouldn't even get a chance in this, I don't think. Which they shouldn't need to, since it should reach 100 before then. Alright, now we do if GUI clone, then... Oh my god, this is... Sorry, this is a bit of a nightmare. This is a bit of a coding headache. So give me a moment here while I work things out. Alright, so we'll actually move chosen skin out of here, and we'll put it... Oh, selected skin. Selected skin. There we go. Okay, now we'll do GUI clone dot box frame dot item icon dot image. We'll do local item image will be equal to game dot rep. I need to make a okay, hang on. Local GUI folder is equal to game.rep.gui stuff. There. We're gonna grab this. We're gonna get rid of all these ugly long strings of GUI folder stuff. Okay. GUI folder dot item icons dot skins, find first child, selected skin. If item image, then GUI clone dot box frame dot item icon dot image. Nope. Image will be equal to item image dot texture, I think. GUI stuff, item icons, skins, texture. Yes. Okay. So that should do that. And then GUI clone dot box frame dot rolling text dot text will be equal to selected skin. Okay. And then we should be able to do GUI clone dot box frame dot rolling text dot text will be equal to you got dot dot selected skin dot dot. Yep. All right, now let's also change the color of the text. GUI clone dot box frame dot rolling text dot text color will be equal to rarity colors chosen tier. I think that should work. Like, hopefully this will work. We'll see, but need to finish this up. Okay. So now we actually need to make values here. Inventory values, skins. So we have pickaxe. We'll grab this. So we'll start with, let's see, data tables, we'll start with copper. Copper. The name will be right there. Then we'll need to make a num value for total copies. Now in the data folder, we'll actually need to do this. Inventory, equipped ability, pickaxe, and skin. So now we'll need equipped van skin and equipped van pickaxe. Okay. Total copies. I don't think we need anything else in this right now, so we're going to work on the rest of these as well. So copper, birch. In fact, let's just copy them from there. Duplicate that there. Duplicate that there. Copy, duplicate that there. Copy, duplicate there and there. Duplicate there and there. Oh, yep, there we go. Frozen, or volcanic. Okay. So now let's go to buy handler, and then we'll do local skin val will be equal to player.data.end. No. .data. Inventory. Skins in. Find first child selected skin. If skin val, then else. Or no. If not skin val, then we'll do skin val will be equal to game.rep.values. That's another thing I'm going to make a value for, just up here. Local values will be equal to game.rep.values. Will be equal to values dot in values dot skins. Find first child selected skin. Your skin val. It should work, so clone. Okay. And then we'll do skin val dot parent will be equal to player dot data dot inventory dot skins in. Else skin val dot total copies dot value plus equals 1. Okay. Now for all of these total copy values, actually we need to put these to 1 because there's no way that you can only have 0 copies of a thing while still owning it. So there we go. Now lastly, GUI clone dot box frame dot close button dot visible is equal to true. Okay, I think that's it. I think it works. Lastly, the thing I want to do real quick, box skin by box. We will grab their money. Local money is equal to player. Okay, there's not a player in here. Local player is equal to game.players.local player. Local player, or money is equal to player dot data dot, what is it? Stats dot money. Let me do what do we do about the cost? Where's the cost at? Cost should be right there. So let's do local box cost. It's equal to require, or no, data tables.get box cost. Where is this at? This is in dash, so script.parent.name. Actually, we got to do one more parent there. And we'll do if money.value is less than box rarities, then script.parent.buybox text will be equal to not enough. Or no, can't afford, because there might be some boxes that might cost like gems or something. So let's not wait. One script.parent.buybox.text will be equal to that, and then return. All right, so that should make that work. And I think that's everything. I think it works now. So right now it only costs 50 money. The only problem is that there's no way to differentiate between money and gems. So I'll need to work that out, but I'll work that out when I add a gem box. Oh, it's just for testing. Trust me, I'll be raising it later. So, whoops, hang on. Okay, so there's already a problem of some sort. Attempt to index number to table. Frame handler. Box rarities. Huh? Oh, whoops. Box cost. There we go. Okay. But also I need to reformat this so that way it's actually properly set up now, because it's not right now. So turn that off, turn that on, and then turn that off. Okay. And that should work. Yeah, this is just a testing value so we can make sure it all works. Skins. Fuck. Number to nil? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean nil? Script? Oh, no, it is just script.parent. Oof. Script.parent, yeah. So let's also actually get rid of that. There. There we go. That should work. Alright, so let's check this. Can't afford. Can't afford. Alright. I know it says 500 money, but that's just because we haven't changed it, so it's whatever. Okay, let's get some money real quick from playing the game. I have fixed the mine speed, so my pickaxe is way slower now. This is the actual swing speed of the default pickaxe. Alright, let's get some moolah. And then we'll test this out. And we have been live for almost 3 hours now. And I still have not even gotten to the maps or the lobby yet. Or sound effects, or... yeah. This is definitely going to take, unfortunately, until... or this is going to take a 4th stream, unfortunately. I was very bold in thinking that I would be able to get everything done in this one stream. I did not anticipate just how long the shop GUI was going to take alone. The thing that makes it even worse is that we haven't even made an inventory. There's no way to enable any of this yet. That's the worst part, is that there's no way to enable the inventory. Or there's no way to enable any of these skins. This is literally just for the values. But it's fine. We can handle that next stream. Or maybe we'll make this an extra long stream and we'll get that ready. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, we've got 230 skins, Shoot. It broke. Brick color expected, got color 3. Text color? What? By 56. Brick color? Why is that a brick color? What? Text color. Oh, it needs to be text color 3. Oh my god, that's such a specific, annoying problem. Okay, let's move the GUI into here so we can make sure it's even working, because I didn't see it on my screen. Oh, that would explain it. It's not enabled. There we go. So let's put that back in there. Okay. Or, well, we don't need it to be enabled at the start, really. I'll enable it once it gets here. So GUI clone.enabled will be equal to true. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, imaginary stuff. That's what I'm talking. Yeah, exactly. Like, we can't even do anything with this yet. Because of it. I need to figure out how to change this back into old chat. I hate this new chat, dude. It's so annoying. I don't know why, I just don't like it all that much. Alright. Do you guys think I should work on, like, GUI refinement off camera? Like, making icons for the gems and the, coins? And, like, making the GUI look pretty? Should I handle that off camera? Or what do you guys think? I could always record the process of making it and upload that to YouTube as, like, a little mini short of the series, but I don't know. I'm still debating on if I even want to try and edit this down into a, like, kind of devlog series on my YouTube channel, but I don't know. I'll leave it up to a poll. I'll make a poll about it in the stream Discord, and we'll figure it out then. I mean, ultimately it is up to me, but I also made this, I made this series so that way people who don't know how to make a game can peer into this and see the actual process behind making a game. And maybe by watching me, they'll learn a little bit more. Bye, box. Oh, look at it. It's going. Ah, fuck. Oh, I waited too long. Okay. Let me increase the time in the intermission. We'll increase it to 20. And then we're just going to give myself money so that way we don't have to do the mining thing again. We'll give myself 300 money. Alright. It is showing, though. That's good. It is going through all of the different things and giving us different ones of different rarities, so it is working. Gilded, copper, stone. I don't like how long it's taking to get there, though. That's definitely a thing I don't like. Oh my god, it's taking forever to get there. What the fuck? Okay, let's settle this a little bit. Here, where's this? Right here. We'll do... Okay, we'll do local weight amount is equal to this. And then we do if weight amount is greater than 0.2 and I is less than 60, then weight amount is equal to 0.2. There, that should cap it to some degree. Weight amount. Oh my god, dude. There. Hopefully that works. I don't know if it will or not. We'll find out. Alright, let's give this another shot. Oh my god. I got copper. Okay, now do we have copper in here? That's the... Okay, we do have copper. Good. Now we kind of have to wait until the end of the round, though. Oh my god, this takes forever. Yeah, I definitely need to speed this process up some. Might as well get the money while I'm here, I guess. Also, this walk speed isn't normal either. When the round actually starts, we'll be getting like extra walk speed as well for like a running. There's a lot of cool stuff that can be added to this game, like walk speed, swing speed, the damage rate of the pickaxes, the reach. There's different reaches, I believe, for like pickaxes. I don't think skins affect reach, but yeah. There's a lot of cool potential for this game, in my opinion. Like, I really hope this game does well, because I honestly think this is a really cool idea. And this is a game that I've been wanting to make since like 2018. In fact, actually, I can show in a minute. But let's do some more skins. I could go in and change it so that way it doesn't run or whatever. Gilded, copper, birch, stone, birch. I got birch again. Or I got a birch. Okay, so yeah, let's actually go into here and change that to 2. Just so that way we can spin without needing to worry. And then here, instead of 25 to 75, we'll do 25 to 40. Just to speed it up a little bit. And we'll make that 1. Is less than I times 0.8. So most of the way through there. Okay, so now let's come into here and we'll do the run. Now, once again, unfortunately, these won't even work yet because we're going to have to wait until next stream, or we'll do this later. I don't know. Still not sure yet. Why is this taking so long? Glowing. I got glowing, though. Let's see. So I do have glowing in there now. So let's go in and buy another one. I only have so many points, though, so I actually can't test for multiples yet. But, let's also keep in mind how many, like, different ones we're seeing. Maybe a way to go AFK. Yeah, I'll probably do that next stream, or, like, as a last resort thing, or last thing. Oh my god, we got... Was that both of the... Gilded and glowing. We got both of the uncommons. Nice. Yeah, we'll probably add in a way to go AFK next as well. So we got both of the uncommons. Yeah, I definitely need to make this go faster. I got the rarest one. Okay, sure. Yeah, whatever. Whatever you say, bro. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so it definitely, like, judging by the rolling animation, it does seem like the percentage chance works, which is good. Because that coding is a bit of black magic to me, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit weird. I still don't fully understand it, but I kind of understand it, so it should work fine. It's really simple, too, but you wouldn't expect it to be simple, but it really is. It's only a couple lines of code. I got birch. I'm getting just all of them, I guess. All the unique ones. And we haven't seen any whatevers. We haven't seen any uniques or legendaries, which is a specific thing to mention. Alright, well, we're going to be out of money after this one, so hopefully we get a copy so we can see if it does the copy properly. God damn it, we got every single one. Okay, let me give myself a bit more money so we can go through this, and we can check. Money, we'll give myself 5,000. Just keeping it simple. Birch, copper stone, copper purity, copper glowing, birch purity, gilded stone. I got stone again. Okay. So now in here, it should be 2. Good. So that works. What next? We were going to make this shorter, right? 0.5 and also 9 instead of 8. Oh, that's why. Yeah, if I do roll amount instead of that, then it'll probably go much quicker, I imagine. Here, let me put that back to 1. Y'all want to see how fast it's going to go now? Oh yeah, there we go. Much better. So I think I am actually going to do weight amount is times equal to 0.4. So that way it does still retain some of its old speed, but it doesn't get, you know, insanely slow. And it does still gradually go down instead of bottoming out after a bit. Alright, so hopefully this will work. Gilded, copper, birch, glowing. I got glowing! Whee! Okay, so yeah, that's more suitable in my opinion. We'll make it a little bit quicker. Times 0.2. There. Just a little bit faster. And then that up to 9, I'd say. No, we'll do 2.5. That should work. Okay. So, as far as I can tell, that's about all of the entire shop system done. Finally. I mean, not everything, obviously. Buying individual skins doesn't work yet, but cut me some slack. Okay, so we will actually change the box cost to reflect its actual amount now. Actually, I want to test real quick. I want to give 5 to legendary. Or, well, let me copy this, and then we're going to comment that out, and then paste it in again. But this time we're going to give 5 to legendary, and 10 to unique, and 15 to rare. And so then we're going to take out 15 from common, so that way we can just make sure that it's all circulating properly. Totally not because I want to gamble. Purity, guild, volcanic. Oh, I saw volcanic for a second. Purity. Man, I really have just made a fucking gambling machine, haven't I? Oh my god. Birch, volcanic, frozen. Oh, you can see them. They're in the area. Look at this, boys. We got a full-on gambling machine working. I've never made one of these before, not in this way before. So it's actually interesting seeing this get made. Gilded. Which ones have I gotten, actually? I didn't check. Inventory. Skins in. I've gotten Purity and Gilded are the two comparisons. It's just an RNG game with extra steps. Exactly. Alright, I got a second Purity. Frozen, Purity, Volcanic. Oh, close on the Volcanic. I know ultimately it doesn't matter because it's just spinning, so like if you see it that early, you're guaranteed to not get it anyways, but like, you know, it's that rush, you know? It's that feeling. Sometimes I roll a box in my hands and I let it burn just to feel something. Please tell me someone gets that reference. We'll make the size on that a bit bigger, like 6 instead. Yeah, that works. Okay. Well, that's everything. Or that's mostly everything. I guess we could do the shop stuff real quick. I don't know. We've been going for 3 hours now, so, you know. I guess we could work out the just direct buying, though. So now we can do data tables. Local skin costs is equal to... So we're going to only make one skin purchasable right now. I don't know which one yet. Let's see. Let's do, I guess let's make the skin, or the stone skin. Stone skin... Stone. Yeah, so let's just make a stone skin one. Stone. Common. Why does Switch have so many ads? I think I turned on like this dynamic ad thing so that it runs occasionally. Sorry, but I mean, if it makes you... I don't even know if you can hear me right now, but if you can, if it makes you feel any better, it does give me like a cent for every time you watch. I'm gonna say maybe 1,000 money for a common skin, so two regular crates for a common skin. What do you think? Or should it just be like 750? Let's be real, probably not many people are going to go for common skins. So those can probably be pretty cheap, but I don't know about other skins. The thing is that I don't really know how much money people are going to be getting at the end of the round, like on average. So these prices are going to have to be tweaked as things go, really. Skin name, stone common, by skin. So yeah, it's kind of just gonna have to be a thing that's adjusted as we go through everything, but for now, I'll say that's good. Now let's work this out. Actually, I need the other one. We're gonna grab all of this and just paste it in here. We're gonna grab... that, and the buy event, and data tables, and everything else. There. Alright, so now we actually need to go into here, and we need to do stone will be equal to 1,000. . Okay, now we can do module.getSkinCost is equal to function skin. If skin, then return skin costs. Skin. Return skin costs. Okay. Skin rarities. What do I need the box rarity for? Nothing in here. Okay, so skin cost. Get skin cost. That'll be in here. Skin cost. Can't afford. Buy skin. Right? Skin. Buy skin. Okay, we'll do that. Return. Otherwise, we don't need to turn all of this off. So we'll do that, and then we'll do like a task dot. Wait, 1. Okay. And then for the server side, getting rid of that. Buy skin. Okay. Script up parent done name. So now we'll do a little bit of other stuff. Oops. Local skin cost is equal to data tables.get skin cost item. If skin cost, then let's actually grab this out of there and paste it in there. We do if money.value is less than or greater than or equal to skin cost, then money.value minus equal to skin cost. And now we can make this real simple. And we'll do local item val is equal to player.data inventory.skins find first child item. If item val, then, or if not item val, then item val is equal to values dot in values dot skins find first child item. Clone, and then item val dot parent will be equal to player.data.inventory.skins. All right. Else item val dot total copies is plus equals 1. And I guess we'll make a quick GUI as well. Okay, you actually got me with that one, goddammit. Jesus. GUI folder dot interact GUI dot box GUI clone. I hate that. Yeah, I probably need to turn it off, not gonna lie. Or just vastly lower the volume on it. GUI clone dot box frame dot item icon dot image is equal to GUI folder item icons dot skins find first child item dot texture, and then we'll do GUI clone dot item text dot text will be equal to purchased skin. GUI clone dot whoops, I forgot the dot box frame dot box frame dot rolling text dot text is equal to we got one dot dot item dot dot skin. All right. Now let's also change the rolling text to the thing. If I can, actually, can I? I can, yeah. Okay, so let's do get skin data. Local skin data is equal to data tables.get skin data item. If skin cost and skin data, then we'll also do GUI clone dot rolling. God dang it. Okay, we'll put it down here actually. GUI clone dot box frame dot rolling text dot text color 3 is equal to rarity colors. Skin data. Whoops. Rarity. That should work. Because that should go after these. Yeah, that should work. Alright. And now we'll do GUI clone dot box frame dot close button dot visible is equal to true, and then GUI clone dot enabled is equal to true. After we put it into the player's whatever. GUI clone dot parent will be equal to player dot player GUI. Alright. That should work. We'll do a quick test, and then that'll be it. Unfortunately, we did not get the thing done, but it's whatever. We'll get it done next time. Oh, did I just not turn that on? There we go. Okay. Turn that off and turn that off. All right. Let's go here. View skins. Ah, shoot. Skins is not a valid... It's probably skins in, isn't it? Let's find out. Yep, skins in. That's my fault. Okay, that should work now. Oh my god. Shop skins, view skins. You got one stone skin. Now you can buy it. Oh, never mind. Add on an instance and number. Oh, yep, that's my fault. It's whatever. You will be able to stack it, which is the thing, but that's fine. Inventory, skins, stone. Yep, it's there. All right, let's fix that up real quick, and then we'll be done. Dot value. All right, last time for real, hopefully. View skins, buy boxes. So you can stack it. You can't stack the GUIs, but that's fine. It doesn't really matter. And then stat inventory, skins inventory. Yeah. So I can get 1,000 rock skins just to fuse them to make a molten pickaxe. Okay, that could be fun. I won't lie, that could be fun. That could be a fun update someday in the future. Dude, I'm so happy with how this turned out, actually. I could even add in some, like, extra... some extra fun by having, like, the image pop out a little bit once you do it, or once it gets done, but for now, we'll just stop here. Maybe I'll do that off camera. I don't know. But alright. That's it. Now, one thing I do want to do real quick is come into all of these and maybe change their font to the font that we have decided to use. There we go. Yeah, that's nice and neat. Look at that up there. It's a bit... Okay, well now it's a bit low. I would like to have it up there. But I know why it's like that. Okay. Let's have it ignore GUI instead. Alright. And that's everything, I'm pretty sure. So we didn't get done with nearly as much as I had hoped, unfortunately. But I can say that I'm very happy with how this shop system has turned out. So now that we have all this done, next stream is going to focus on getting the inventory system working, so that way you can actually equip the skins. And then, if we have time, I mean, clearly we have learned just how long GUIs can take at this point, but if we have time, we're going to start building the maps and stuff as well. And making stuff actually work, like adding more ores, making all of the stats work, just everything like that. So, we're not quite there yet, but 1 or 2 more streams and this game will definitely be done. Yeah, VFX, sound effects, maps, all the sort of stuff. So yeah. Lastly, of course, if you haven't yet, I've got the Discord server up there if you want to get notified whenever I go live. It is also connected to my other games in case you are interested in playing any of my games that are not necessarily this one. Actually, real quick, I do want to show you guys, because I did mention it, I'm pretty sure. I actually came across the old Mind Dashers game, because like I said, this is a game idea that I've had for a while, and I tried to make it with a friend years ago. This game was made, this original one was made... When was this made? View on Roblox. Yeah, this was made in 2017. And so this is the original copy of Mind Dashers. It's obviously not done, or never got finished. But yeah, there's like a little spawn point here. I think there's gonna be like a shop or a leaderboard here. Yeah, it's not very good. I mean, obviously, it was 2017 me. That was only like a year or 2 into my building. In fact, I didn't even make this part, I don't think. So, yeah. Obviously, not my greatest work. But I'm much better now, and that's what matters. Yeah, there's like, this was the lobby. It was going to have a little area over here for something. These were all of the different pickaxes that we had made. You can really see the creativity just shining, can't you? Got wood, stone, iron, gold, diamond, obsidian? Hoop pickaxe, of course, because this was 2017 and I was like 13 when I made this. Rainbow white. Molten pickaxe. Oh, hey, that one kind of came through. In fact, yeah, this one is actually almost identically recreated in the new game, just made better. The giant pickaxe, the big axe, as it's called. The void pickaxe. The wooden pickaxe. The inverted pickaxe. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that backwards. The upside down axe. And then just a drill. There was a box over here for some reason. I think there's like a... Yeah, there's a zombie dude in there. I think that was free models. And then this was the first quote-unquote map. So yeah, this was the original Mind Dashers. Just goes to show how far you can come. Now hopefully we will be making a better map than this next time we get around to streaming, but... Yeah, I just figured... I figured I could show that off real quick. You know, just to have a bit of fun. And according to the description of this... Originally, it was, in this fast-paced game, you and up to 7 others get dropped into a mine, and your goal is to collect as many and as rare ores as you can find in a limited amount of time. Whoever comes out with the most ores gets the win, but if others have rarer ores, they get more money. Race to become the richest miner in the history of Roblox. So originally, the game was actually based on how many ores you got and not the value of your ores. Nowadays, the game measures it based on the value of the ores instead of how many you got, because I feel that makes a little bit more sense. Otherwise, you would just, like, well, I mean, kind of, there's a balance between it, but for now, we're going to go with this. We might change it in the future. I don't know. We'll see. Ew, viewerbot. Die. Ban. Okay, anyways. So yeah, that is the end of the stream. Thank y'all for coming out and watching. Once again, I stream this specifically every Wednesday, although that might be changing in the future. Once again, if you want to keep on top of my schedule and all that, go to my Discord server. I might be getting a job, like in real life soon, because unfortunately my games don't pay the bills at the moment. So, like, I've literally not gotten a single dollar from any of my games yet. But that'll change soon, hopefully, so it's whatever. But yeah, so since I'm going to be getting a job soon, my stream schedule might have to change, because obviously I can't stream while I'm at work, and I don't know what type of schedule I might have when I get a job. So my stream schedule might have to change, but I'll announce it in the Discord when it does, or if it does. But aside from that, yeah, I'll be uploading the VOD to the YouTube channel, of course. Next stream we'll be tackling the inventory, and if we can, maps and all the other good stuff. Then there'll probably be at least one or two more streams for extra detailing and maybe adding in some of the other stuff. I don't know. I don't know at what point I'm going to cut this off, because there is a point where this turns from, making a game to updating a game. So, I don't know. We'll see. But for now, that is all. Gonna run a quick cheeky 3-minute ad break so I can get as much money as I can. Sorry, y'all, but I don't get much money from Twitch streaming. I don't get much money from anything at the moment, so I'm just trying to get whatever money I can get. But yeah, so that's about everything. We could be coming up to the end of this season of the series relatively soon, actually. Which makes me sad, but it's whatever. So, yeah. That's the end of the stream. Thank you for coming out. I'll see you guys... Oh, wait, no, I don't do this every Sunday or Wednesday. I do this every Sunday. Wednesday is my general gaming stream. Sorry, I got it confused. It's Sunday today. So I stream every Sunday. We'll be resuming this next Sunday. I also stream Wednesdays, which is my general gaming, and then I stream Saturday, which is my Minecraft Pixelmon. So, yeah. Anyways, bye-bye, everybody. We've been going on for 3.5 hours. I'm gonna leave. I'm burning up and dying right now. Bye-bye.